Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start our exercise 30 of our third chapter, that is negative number and integers. So with question number first we will start here. Question number first is copy and complete. Third part I am doing here. It is written like this. Here is a table in which two columns are there like this. Here multiply sign is here and -7, 6 and 0 like this it is. Here is -4, here is question mark. We have to find out these all the digits. Here is -7, again question mark, question mark, question mark. So how we will solve, just see here, imply that I am doing it here. 1 2 3 and 1 2. See, multiply sign is here. -4 is mentioned here and here is -7. Here you can see it is -7, 6 and 0. Now multiply sign is operation is multiply. So what you will do, 4 7 this you will multiply, minus into minus, our result will be positive here, and 7 4 28. So plus 28 will be our answer here. Means at the place of this question mark, answer will be 28. Again you can see here 6, here plus sign is plus into minus, minus, our result will be negative, and 6 4 24. So minus 24 will be our answer. Same way -4 into 0, you know that if any number is multiplied with 0, it gives the result 0 only. Now 7 7 49, minus into minus, plus will be our answer. Minus into plus, again minus, 6 7 or 7 6 42. So your answer will be -42. Then minus into that 0, so our result will be 0 only. So like this you will solve. Whatever the operation will be written here, that you will do. If here is division sign, then you will divide. Now come to question number second. That is, find the following products. First part is 8 into 3. All you know is that 8 3 24. Same way we can do one more part, fifth part, that is -6 into 6. You know that minus multiply with plus. So what result will be minus into plus? It will be minus. 6 6 36. Like this you can solve. One more is there, fourth part, not fourth, that is eighth part, that is -25 into -25. So what will be our result? You know that minus into minus plus, and 25 multiplied by 25. Here you can do 25 into 25. It will be 5 5 25, carry 2, 5 2 10 plus 2 12 into 2 5 10 0, carry 1, 2 2 4 plus 1 5. So it will be 5 2 6, 625 plus 625, or simply you can write 625 here. Like this you can do. Now come to question number third. Third is simplify. In third, first part is -5 into -3 into 1. This you have to simplify. So how you will do? First multiply these two numbers. So minus into minus, plus 5 3 15 you write, and into what number is remaining here? 1. So 15 into 1. So what will be our answer? 15 1 15. So 15 will be our answer. In the same way, sixth part is -8 into 27 into -9 into 0. Now what we will do here, you can see here -8 into 27 into -9 into 0 is here. 0 means if a number, if any number is bigger or smaller, if we are multiplying it with 0, our result will be always 0 only. This will be our answer. Like this you will do. Now come to question number 4. That is, what will be the sign of the product if we multiply together? We have to find out that what sign of our result will be 8 negative integers and 1 positive integers. If we multiplying 8 negative integers, means 8 times negative integer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times we are multiplying negative integers and 1 positive integer into positive. So all bracket means here is multiply sign. So what will be our result? You know that if we are multiplying that negative numbers in even numbers, means even times, like we are multiplying minus minus, it will become plus. These two, again minus into minus, it will be plus. Again minus into minus, it will be plus. Again these minus will be plus. Now you know that plus is multiplied with plus only, so our result will be positive only, into. So our result will be positive. So what was our question? That 8 negative number and 1 positive integers. So what sign of the product will be positive? So we will write, so sign of product will be positive. Like this you can do second and third part, second part also, so only 2 parts are. Now come to question number 5. State which is greater. Question number 5 is that you have to find out which one is greater. One part I am doing here, that is 7 divided by 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 inside bracket into 9, or another one is 7 plus 8 into 9. 7 plus 8 into 9. So which one is greater you have to find out. Or you know that rule of BODMAS, means first we will open bracket, then off we will do, then division, then multiplication we will do. Now you can see here, first we will do multiplication, at last addition and subtraction we will do. So here is the sign of multiplication. So inside bracket first we will solve bracket, that 7 plus 8, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15 into 9 this will be. And for this what we can write, here we can write or this will be 7 plus, we will multiply first 72, 8 9 72. Now we will compare these. See, 9 5 45, carry 4 we will write here, and 9 1 9 plus 4 10 13 135 it will be. This one will be 7 plus 72 plus 7, so it will be equal to 8 9 7 79. So now you can observe here that this one is 135 and this one is 179. So which number is greater? That obviously it will be 7 plus 8 into 9 is greater, because the product is having greater value. Now come to the next question, that is question number 6. 6 is true and false, that you can try by your own. Question number 7 I am starting here, that is think and answer. First one is compare the sign of the product of two negative integers with the sign of the sum of the two negative integers. Now what you have to do here, compare the sign of the product of two negative integers. Compare the sign of the product of two negative integers, means one negative integer is, and we are multiplying it with negative integers. First we have to compare it with the sign of the sum of the two negative integers. Sign of the sum of the two negative integers. Now you can see here what it is. See, negative sign here indicating some integer, negative integer. This one is again negative integer. So if we are multiplying two negative integers, what will be our result? You know that minus into minus is plus. So your result will be a positive integer. So if you are multiplying two negative integers, your result will be positive integer. On the other hand, if you are adding two negative integers, suppose you can take here -2, here also you can take -2, then your result will be -2 plus -2, it will be -4. So our result will be negative integer. This is the difference. Or you can take here examples also, like minus into minus, like you are taking -2 into -3. Here we are multiplying in product. You can write in product. In product what will be? It will be 2 3 is 6, minus into minus plus, means positive integer. In addition or in sum what it will be? -2 plus -3, it will become minus, so -5 will be your answer. In this way you can explain this one. Now come to second part, you can try by your own. Come to question number 8. The Atlantic Ocean is sinking about 10 centimeter every 100 years. You know that in 100 years it is sinking 10 centimeter. Means sinking means going down. So negative sign here it will be. So in 10 years -10 centimeter it is sinking. We can write a multiplication expression with integer that models how much the Atlantic Ocean will sink in 300 years. You have to write, see, in 100 years it is sinking 10 centimeter. So in 200 years it will sink 20 centimeter. So in 300 years it will sink 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. We can represent, because it is sinking, that's why in negative sign we can write. So what will be the expression? We can write it as 3 into -10 is equal to 30 centimeter, -30 centimeter. This will be our expression that we can write.